Now that you've signed up for a BorrowBox account, it's time to choose some books to borrow. To begin your search for books, click on the Start button in the main menu. This will take you to the home page of the BorrowBox website. Choose from the eAudiobooks or eBooks button, depending on which format of book you're looking for. By default, you'll see all the ebooks in the featured collection. Scroll down to see the full list. Click on Adult, Young Adult or Children to filter the list by audience. You can further refine your selection by clicking on New Releases, Top Downloads, New to Library or All Releases. Alternately, you can browse the collection by subject. Hover over the Browse by Category button, click on See All and choose from the selection of genres available. Scroll down to browse through the matching books. If there's more than 60 results, click on the pagination links to move through the pages. You can also search the collection by keyword, title, author or narrator. Enter the keywords in the search box and click on Go. Click on the cover of any book to see more information, including a synopsis and a selection of related titles. To borrow the book, click on the Borrow button, then click on Confirm eBook Loan. In order to read ebooks on your computer or to transfer them to an e-reader, you'll need the Adobe Digital Edition software. If you don't have digital editions, you can get it from the Adobe website. Click on the Download for e-reader button and open the saved file in Adobe Digital Editions. Click on Continue Browsing to keep exploring the collection and borrow more books. At any time, click on My Account to see the books you currently have on loan, to re-download the files, or renew or return the books.